Hello students, 12th standard computer application. Last video you have to learn the different file format for multimedia. So in this video you have to learning multimedia production. Chapter 1, 1.5 multimedia production. So what are the steps we have to following in multimedia production? So dear student, just you have to think like if we create new project, if you create new project in multimedia means first we have to for analyzing the project and how many members involving and in which software and hardware we have to using this. So what is the concept in your project? Just you have to analysis. So in case we have to creating the new project in multimedia means the following phrases are required. Following are the bases required for the multimedia project. So the first one, conceptual analysis and planning. First we should plan our project. We should plan our project, and second one, project design. And third one, pre-production. So pre-production means we considered the budgeting, how many members involving, and which software and which hardware is best for in our project, and defining the content and preparing the structure. So these are including for pre-production. So steps in multimedia production, like third one, pre-production including budgeting, how much budgeting, and multimedia team, how many members involving, and hardware and software selection, defining the content, preparing the structure. These are including pre-production. So we considered, we designing the production, we decide in our production means we have to start our production. So production and testing, documentation, delivering the multimedia product. So these are the phases required for multimedia project. So just we have to note conceptual analysis and planning, project design, pre-production. So pre-production include budget, multimedia production team, hardware software selection, defining the content, preparing the structure, and production start, testing and documentation, delivering the multimedia product. So let us see the explanation of what is the conceptual analysis and planning. First we have to start planning. So see, conceptual analysis and planning means identify the appropriate theme. Conceptual analyze, identify the appropriate theme, in which theme we have to start, and budget and content availability on that selected theme. In criteria like copyright issues also are considered in phase. We have to plan the project means like in which type of theme we have to start. Just we have to plan. So plan your project, it following project design. Plan your project means we have to plan the designing. So the project design including three concepts like wholes, project, activities. So project design including three concepts like wholes. So wholes like a general statements. Project. So project is a specific statement. Activities. Activities means series of actions performed to implement of objective. Performed to implement on objective. So the project design including wholes, project, activities. So whole means a general statement. Project is a specific statement. Activities is a series of action performed to implement an objective. And then next, multimedia production like pre-production. So pre-production based on the planning and the designing. The planning and the designing based in pre-production. It is necessary to develop the project. It is necessary to develop the project. So already you know the pre-production including budgeting and software hardware selection, multimedia team members and project content, so like and all. So let us see. Pre-production is a planning of like planning and designing is a base of planning and designing. So see, budget. So in how much we have to spending for this project. It can be done for consultants, hardware, software, travel, communication and publishing. So how much cost it will be necessary. So what cost we have to spend, how much we have to spend. First we have to analyze. So it can be done for consulting and how much we have to spend in hardware line, how much rupees we have to spend in software. In case we want to travel one to another place, mean how much money we have to needed, and the communication. And if we want to deliver the project, we want to advertising this project means, so this budget are including. So we have to decide. So budgeting including consultants, hardware, software, travel, communication and publishing. And fifth one, team members. So we have to needing some other person. So like in case we have to creating any other project means, we have to the group of members involving to create the production. So how many members? Like the team comprises of members playing various role. So under responsibility like script member, writer, production manager, editor, graphics architect, multimedia architect and webmaster. So these members are needed to multimedia production team. So multimedia production team members, their various role like script writer, production manager, editor, graphics architect, multimedia architect and webmaster. And sixth one, in which software and hardware is best for in our project. So like we have to select the fastest CPU and RAM and huge monitor. So we have to select which one is best for in our production. Software required for the project creation. So hardware include fastest CPU, RAM like random access memory. It is need to storage capacity and a huge monitor. And software required to the project creation. We have to create the project, which software, in which application software is the best one. So just we have to decide. And seventh one, define the content. Define the content. So content is stuff provided by the content specialist to the multimedia architecture. So which person is the best member to the content creation, we have to select. So content is the stuff provided by the content specialized. So we need one of the content specialized person to the multimedia architect. And the next one, preparing the structure. So structure means the timing, duration, how long in our project going. We should have the along with the timeline of the future action. So we have to decide the timeline of the future action. So these are including the pre-production. So pre-production like the based on planning and designing, it including budget and production team members, hardware software selection, defining the content and preparing the structure. So These content are clear means we have to start in our production. So like after the pre-production activities, the production base start. The pre-production is successful means we have to starting in our production or project. So this base including the activity like production like background music, production like background music selection, sound recording and so on. And text is incorporated using OCR software, picture shooted by digital camera, and video clips are shoot, edited and compressed. So the production means if we successfully we have to complete in our pre-production, we have to start in our production base. So the production activities like background music selection and sound recording. And next one, testing. In case successfully in our production created, successfully in our project created means first we have to testing. In our project work for all other places. Testing means in our project all the peoples are using in our project successfully. Just we have to test it. So testing is done before the mass production to ensure that everything in its place, thereby avoiding the failure after launch. Once we have to launch in our project in the field, all the peoples are using very easily and very successfully. It is very important in our production. Okay. So first we have to test all the software, all the applications are supported in our project. First we have to test. Like for example, in our project run in Internet Explorer, like Chrome, Mozilla and Netscape Navigator. So all the browsers are accepting in our project successfully. We have to test it. Okay. So testing is just before the mass production to ensure that everything is in place. Because avoid the failure after launch. Once we have to launching in our project means successfully running for the people side. Okay. So for example, we have to testing the browser. We have to testing the browser like Internet Explorer, Chrome, Mozilla and Netscape Navigator. It's a browsers. Okay. And next one, finally, documentation. So moreover, all the project, all the people's how to use this project. So they need the project explanation. So documentation is a mandatory features of all multimedia project. What kind of application, what kind of software, hardware we have to using in our project. Just we have to give some content or catalog, like a catalog. So the document has all the valuable informations starting from the system requirement till the completion of testing. Once we have to start the project, when we have to start the project, that time what kind of information we have to launching in our project up to the last time. So till the completion of testing. So start to end, what kind of information we have to use in our project. It will be necessary to the other people. So we have to prepare the documentation. So what are the information including in our project? Other people easy to understood in our project, like contact details, email address and phone numbers. So the documentation is very easy to understand in our project, easily identify the concept. So documentation is very helpful for other person. Those who are those who are using in our project means they have to learn in our project explanation. The documentation is very important. And last one, delivering the multimedia product. How can we deliver this in our project? How can we deliver the multimedia product? So we have to deliver the multimedia product like we have to using two sites. One CD or website. Multimedia applications are best delivered on CD or DVD or in the website. So while delivering through the internet, huge number of blocks in required to play audio and video and long downloading time. So you have to note. So delivering multimedia product means the multimedia applications are best delivered on CD or DVD or in the website. So while delivering through the internet, huge number of blocks in required to play audio and video and long downloading time. So let us see. So it's one of 5 more question, multimedia production. So if we create any other multimedia project means we have to following some of the base. So like first one we have to plan and design and pre-production. So pre-production like budget, multimedia production team, hardware and software selection, defining the content, preparing the structure. So these are successfully we have to plan. It means we have to automatically start the production. So production going after we have to test in our project, and finally if we deliver in our project, before that we have to creating the documentation and finally deliver the multimedia product. So concept analyze means theme. First we have to plan the theme, in which kind of project we have to start, and design. So design include whole project activities, and pre-production. So pre-production like budgeting. So budget like communication, travel, publish, hardware, software, consultant fees like and all. And team members, scripter, writer, editor, and production manager, graphics architect member, multimedia architect member, webmaster like and all. Those were including for production team member. And software hardware selection. Hardware like the fastest CPU, RAM and a huge monitor. Software is the project creation. And defining content. Defining content is specialized content specialist. And preparing structure. So structure means timeline chart. Production and testing. So testing we have to using the browser, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Netscape Navigator like and all. And documentation and delivering the multimedia product. So these are the concepts including multimedia production. So these are the concepts in multimedia production. Once again I have to replay the video. Please note that. Multimedia production. What are the steps in the multimedia production? So 12 point. So the definition of the bases like Thank you. Hello students. The last video 1.5 multimedia production already you have to learn. So now you have to learn multimedia production team members. So like the last class pre-production you have to learn the team member, multimedia team members like script writer, multimedia production manager, computer architect, like and all you already you know. So in this video you have to learn what are the role for the members, for the team members. So in your book 1.5.2 multimedia production team members. So multimedia production application requires a specialized team comprises for the following members. So these are the following members very needed to creating one multimedia production. So first one, the head of the production, like production manager. And second one, content specialist. Third one, script writer. Fourth one, text editor. Fifth one, multimedia architect. And sixth one, computer graphic artist. Seventh one, audio and video specialist. Eighth one, computer programmer. And last member, like webmaster. So these members are including for the production team members in multimedia. So these are very important person in our multimedia project. Okay. So now you have to learn what are the role for the given members. What are the role they have to follow. So first one, what is the role for the production manager? They have to design and they have to managing. They have a head of the department or leadership. So the production manager is a leader of the project. So C, the role of the production manager is to define the coordinate the production of the multimedia project in time and with full quality. So the production manager is the major and very important person, head of the project. Any other person like he or she, any other person, he or she should be on expertise in the technology expert. So like the project technology, that person known very clearly and good at proposal writing, good communication skill and budget management skill. So the person should have an expertise technology and proposal writing, good communication skill and budget management skill. And another one very important, like a experience of the project. Like must have experience in human resources management and act as an efficient team leader. Very important, efficient, like a very efficient, active, is efficient or active team leader. So the production manager role, like the technology expert, communication skill, management skill and good experience and efficient team leader. So this is the role for production manager. And next one, content specialist. So he or she is responsible for performing all research activities concerned with the project. The program content refers to project information, like the content refers to the project like information, graphics, data or fact. So the information, the content specialist like project information, graphic, data or facts is the responsible for content specialist. And third one, script writer. So script writer is a representation of linear sequence of events, step by step, linear sequence of event. The script writer visualize the concept is three-dimensional environment, and if needed uses the virtual reality integration into the program. Virtual like natural reality of the program. And fourth one, text editor. So text editor is the person who structure logically, and that text should always be structured and correct grammatically. Text editor is a person who structure logically, and the text should always be structured and correct grammatically. And multimedia architect. So multimedia architect means it including audio, video, graphics, animation, image. So like and all, that person known very clearly. So multimedia architect, it integrates all the multimedia building blocks like graphics, text, audio, music, video, photos, and animation by using on authoring software. So multimedia architect, that person work like building block of graphic, text, audio, music, video, photos, and animation by using on authoring software. And sixth one, computer graphic architect. Computer graphics. So graphics architect, he or she is deal with the graphics element of the program. Graphics element of the program like background, bullets, buttons, pictures editing, 3D object, animation, and logo. So computer graphic architects like deal with the graphic elements, backgrounds, bullets, buttons, pictures, editing, 3D object, animation, and logo, etc. And seventh one, audio and video specialist. So they are responsible for recording and editing the sound effect. It is very important. They are responsible for recording, editing sound effect, and digitizing. So digital audio or digital video concept already you learned. So the audio and video specialist, the persons responsible for recording, editing, sound effect, and digitizing. And eighth one, computer programmer. So computer programmer like he or she write the lines of codes or script in the appropriate languages, programming language. So computer programmer, line of code of script in the appropriate computer languages. And last one, webmaster. So the responsibility of the webmaster is to create and maintain on internet web page. Responsibility of the webmaster, that person maintain and create the internet web page for the related production. So the conclusion of the multimedia team members. So initially the production manager identify the project content. Finally the project manager identify the project content, while the webmaster provide access to a wide range of community through web service. Okay. So the conclusion, if we finish in our project work means the project manager, the production manager identify the project content, while the webmaster provide access to the wide area range of community through the web service. So these are the concept in multimedia production team members. So what are the multimedia production team members? Like text editor, first one, project manager or production manager, content specialist, script writer, text editor, multimedia architect, computer graphic architect, audio and video specialist, computer programmer, and a webmaster. So the production manager means that person role good communication skill, like good experience, technology expert, and the good leadership. That very important for production manager. And content means project information, graphics, data. Content means project information and graphics, data. And script writer, the linear sequence of the event. The linear sequence of the event. Editor, like logical and grammatically. The content, the structure should be in correct grammatically. Architecture, multimedia architecture, like text, audio, video, music, photos, animation, like and all. Computer graphic means background, bullets, buttons, pictures editing, 3D object and animation. Audio video, like recording and editing the sound effect. Computer program role, they have to using the best programming language. Webmaster, that person create and maintain the internet web page. So conclusion, initially the production manager identify the project content, while the webmaster provide access to a wide range of community through web services. So please note. So 1.5.2 multimedia production team members. So multimedia production application requires a specialized team comprises of the following members. So the members are production manager, content specialist, script writer, text editor, multimedia architecture, computer graphic architecture, and audio and video specialist, computer programmer, webmaster. So these persons are very needed to create the multimedia production. So the role of the members. Production manager role, content specialist role, and script writer role, text editor role, multimedia architect, that person work, and computer graphic artist work, video and audio specialist responsible for, and programmer, webmaster. Thank you.